Hi, today I would like to invite my friend and agent Kun Win Win. Kun Win Win, can you please introduce us what is an exciting deal from your latest listings do you have, please? Hi Win, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, yes, I have a very interesting deal. I got an interesting condo in Villa Asoke. Villa Asoke, this is a condominium located very close to MRT. It's also connected to airport link station, and the unit I get is very special. This apartment located on very high floor, very well maintained unit with very nice view to Asoke, to Sinha complex. It's amazing view. I very much recommend, and the price is really good. Please take a look in description. We have a link to this property listing in CondoDee.com. If you are interested in this unit or any other unit, please feel free to contact us. You can see our contact details here on the screen, or write a comment in this video. We check it periodically. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click a push button, notification button, and if you like our videos, please push a like button. Thank you, Win-Win again. Bye. It was built in 2013. There are 42 floors and more than 500 apartments. It's very popular condominium, especially for foreigners, and it's popular because of the exceptional location. It's located right between two central business districts. Asoke, this is the current Bangkok Central Business District, and Rama 9. Rama 9, it's the second central business district of Thailand, and it's growing very fast. Here in the intersection, Phetchaburi and Asoke, there are several new condominiums that are very popular. I will describe more about these condominiums and the average prices. But for Villa Asoke, that is 8-year-old building, prices are 30 to 35% higher than average in Bangkok for sale, and 20 to 25 higher than average in Bangkok for rent.